Pennsylvania, and that's been pursuant to a lawsuit that he filed. They took an application up to the Supreme Court of the United States, and originally the response date for the state of Pennsylvania, per the order of Justice Alito, I'm reading it right here, and this is from the Supreme Court docket. It's docket number 20A98, and when you've got stays or emergency proceedings, that's why you see that 20, and you'll see the A. These are applications for stays. I've done a lot of them. That's what this is. And what it says here is that the response to the application requested by Justice Alito is now due Tuesday, December 8th by 9 a.m. And that was an update from a previous entry, which had the date on which the application response was due by the state of Pennsylvania, or Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, was originally on Wednesday. Why is that significant? Because on Tuesday afternoon, what happens is, and it's at noon, the electors are seated. So what Justice Alito is saying is he wants, Andy, an order, or at least a response before anyone is seated, so he can then determine how he's going to deal with this issue. Since it's coming out of the circuit he's in charge of. Each justice is given a particular circuit to be in charge of, and he's out of his home state is New Jersey, so that's in the Third Circuit. That's why it's there. But that's why he moved it up.
Yes, that's exactly why he moved it up. He wanted to give himself more time before the electors met in order to make a decision as to what he's going to do in the case. And by moving up the response date from the state from Wednesday to Tuesday and it's significant, Tuesday, December 8th, 9 a.m., that gives him 3 hours between then and when the electors meet at noon on that day to make a decision as to whether or not he may, I don't know, we don't predict what Supreme Court justices will do, but he may grant a stay of the seating of the electors.
Yeah, Harry, the interesting aspect of this, the case is captioned Mike Kelly, U.S. Congressman, and then some other individuals versus the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania General Assembly, and also Thomas Wolf, the governor, and Kathy Bachvar, who, of course, is the Secretary of State for the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. They have filed an emergency application for a writ of injunction